This is how you can show single tick in WhatsApp on your iPhone. So the way that it works is that whenever you send a message, it is indicated by these like tick icons. So let me explain them real quick. If you send the message, you get one tick as the default option. And this means that the message has been sent, but it hasn't been delivered on the other person's phone. They didn't receive the notification just yet, or they don't have access to the internet, or whatever it might be. You just don't know for sure that they received the message. However, when they do get online and open up WhatsApp, the single tick is going to turn into a double tick. And this means that the message has been delivered. It is on their phone, visible somewhere. And then when they open it up, the double tick turns blue color. So that's how it works. Now, if you want to get or show just a single tick in WhatsApp, it means that you want to send a message and somehow not have it delivered to the other party. This is the purpose behind the tick indicator. So that's how it works. Of course, if you block the contact or you get blocked by the other party, then sending a message to them will essentially just always show one tick, as the message is not going to be delivered, right? Because they blocked you. So the WhatsApp Messenger will only show one tick icon. So that's how it works. Also, it applies to you being in the poor coverage area of your cellular data or Wi-Fi. Essentially, when you don't have internet and send message, it's as if the message is not delivered as well. So yeah, the single tick is going to be there too, but that's just how it works. Let me know below in the comments if you have more questions about it. Hit the thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video.